Hello everyone, this is Anila. A warm welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to it, kindly do so. Today I am going to share a video tutorial showing you how to create this cute miniature album. Let us now begin with the construction of the album. Here I am taking 3 pieces of chipboards, 2 pieces measuring 2 1/4 inch by 2 1/4 inch and 1 piece measuring 3/4 inch by 2 1/4 inch. I'm taking a used pattern paper from my stash and I will be sticking the chipboard pieces to the back side of the pattern paper on the white side of the pattern paper using liquid glue. Here I am using a scale just to make sure that I have lined up all the chipboard pieces in a straight line. Next I am going to trim off the pattern paper, leaving a 3/4 inch border from all the 4 sides. We'll be trimming off the corners of the pattern paper from all the 4 sides. The pattern paper that I am using here is a linen based pattern paper and hence it is quite soft and easier to fold as compared to any other cardstock. We score the paper just by folding it with the help of the chipboard pieces, and using some liquid glue we will stick the pieces in place. Just use the bone folder to score the center folds, and your base structure of the album is ready. Let us now begin with the spine of the album. For the spine I am taking a white cardstock that measures 2.5 inches by 2 1/8 inch, and this is 1/8 inch smaller in height as compared to the width of our album. I'll be scoring the entire paper at 1/4 inch intervals and then fan folding the piece of cardstock. The zigzag spine is ready. Now before we attach the spine, we will be covering the sides of the album with pattern paper. So I have picked up the same pattern paper, and I'll be attaching a ribbon on both the sides of the cover page. So the ribbons will help in the closure of the album. So with the help of little liquid glue, I am going to attach the ribbons first, and then stick the pattern paper over it. Let us now stick the spine to the album. We'll apply glue only on the last 2 sections, the small folds, and there will be no glue in the center. We'll stick the spine in place from both the sides. Press the center folds so that the album closes properly. Now we'll be creating the pages for the album, and each mountain fold will have one page. So we have 4 mountain folds. We'll be having four pages for this album. So for creating the pages, I have taken pattern paper from the same paper pack, and I have cut smaller pieces of cardstock from it, measuring 2 1/8 inch by 2 inches, and I'll be sticking two pieces together to create one page. Attach the page to the spine by sticking it to the mountain fold from one side, and repeat this process for all the pages. At times it is easier to attach the pages to the spine and then sticking the spine to the album. So just check what works best for you. The basic structure of the album is now ready, and you can decorate it as per your choice or requirement. You can even check the sped up video after this to see how I have decorated the individual pages. The miniature love album is now ready. Let us enjoy a quick walkthrough of this album. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Thank you.